Hi, today we will see permutation and combination of letters in the word success. Example, in how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged such that all the S's are together? First, combine all the S letters together and treat as one letter. That is what I have done here. The remaining letters are written here. Totally 5 letters are there. This can be arranged in factorial 5 ways. But C is alike 2 times. Therefore, denominator will be factorial 2. So, number of ways with all S's together is equal to factorial 5 by factorial 2. That is equal to 60. Second problem. In how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged such that all the C's are together? Previously, we have seen S's together. Now, we will see all the C's together. So, we have taken C together and then the remaining letters we have written. Totally 6 letters are there. This can be arranged in factorial 6 ways. But S is alike 3 times. Therefore, denominator will be factorial 3. So, number of ways with all C's together is equal to factorial 6 by factorial 3. That is equal to 120 ways. We will see the next problem. In how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged such that the 3 S's are together but no 2 C's together? So what we will do is the 3 S's together we will take. So totally 3 letters are there. This can be arranged in factorial 3 ways, 6 ways, and that we have written here. Now we will see the gap. There are 4 gaps, 2 in between, 1 before and 1 after. And the 4 gaps are shown here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 2C can be placed and arranged in 4 places. In how many ways? 4C2 ways. That is 6 ways. So totally there are 36 arrangements. We will see the next problem. In how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged such that the 2 C's are together and no 2 S's are together? So this is the arrangement. The letters 1 to 7 I have written here. So arrangement is possible like this. No 2 S's are together. Therefore, if I put S in the first place, there are 6 arrangements. Second S can be in the third place or fourth place or fifth place. If second S in third place, the third S can be in fifth, sixth or seventh place. If the second S is in fourth place, it can be in sixth place or seventh place. And if the second S is in fifth place, only possible way is third S in seventh place. Similarly, if I put S in the second place, you have got 3 arrangements. If I put S in the third place, you have got only 1 arrangement, fifth and sixth, seventh place. Right? Now, the 2 C's, where can we put here? The 2 C's are together. Right? The 2 C's are together. That is 6 and 7 is the only way. But the U and E can be arranged in 2 ways. U can be here, E can be here, or E can be here and U can be here. So 2 into 1, 2 ways. Similarly, here also C can be put together only in 4th and 5th place. But U and E can be arranged in 2 ways. Therefore, 2 ways. Here, C can be put together in 2 places, 4th and 5th or 5th and 6th. Therefore, 2 ways for C and 2 ways for U and E, 4 ways we can put. Similarly, I put for all the things, you can go through that. And total number of ways, if you add all the things, then 24 ways. The 2 C's are together and no 2 S's are together. The same problem, I will do it in another way. The 2 C's are together, but no 2 C's are together. So what I will do is the 2 C are together. So I will make that 2 C together as one letter. I will skip this S now. So this can be arranged in factorial 3 ways. That is 6 ways. Now there are 4 gaps, 2 gaps in between, 1 before and 1 after. And there are 4 gaps shown here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 3 S's can be placed and arranged in the 4 places in 4C2 ways, 4 ways. Because hence total desired arrangement is 6 into 4, 24 ways. That is what we got. The 24 words also I will show you now. You can check it up. There is no other word other than this with this condition. We will see the final problem. In how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged such that no 2 C's and no 2 S's are together? First, take out 3 S's and arrange the remaining 4 letters with 2 alike. That is C is alike. So 4 letters can be arranged in factorial 4 by factorial 2 ways. That is 12 ways. The C is alike, therefore denominator is factorial 2. Gaps are 5 and 3 S's can be placed in 5C3 ways. That is 10 ways. By fundamental theorem, total number of ways is 12 into 10, 120 ways. But note that from the previous problem, we have got that no 2 C together and S's together in 24 ways. That is total number of ways now, no 2C together and no 2S's together will be this 120 minus 24. This is included in this 120 ways. Therefore, if you remove this, you will get 96 ways. We are going to do the same thing in another way. So we will see the final problem. In how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged such that no 2C's and no 2S's are together? So I have arranged the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the first S can be placed in the first place, and the second S can be placed either in third place or fourth place or fifth place, and then the third S can be accordingly placed in either fifth place or sixth place or seventh place. In this case, it is in sixth place or seventh place. In this case, it can be placed only in the seventh place. Similarly, if I put the first S in the second place, these are all the arrangements, and the C can be placed. So second and fourth, second and sixth, or second and seven, 3 ways. And if I put the first C in the fourth place, 4 and 6 and 4 and 7, so totally 5 ways. And U and E can be put in the remaining 2 places and can be arranged in factorial 2 ways, U and E or E and U. Therefore, totally 5 into 2, 10 ways. Similarly, for the second case here, I can put C here, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, and 2 and 7, or 4 and 7, or 5 and 7. So totally 5 ways, and U and E can be put in the remaining 2 places in factorial 2 ways, 10 ways. Likewise, I have done for all the cases, and if you add all these things, you will get 96 ways. So there are 96 ways where no 2C's and no 2S's will be together. I will just explain only this case, the first case, how we got the 10. So I am just arranging this 1 to 7. S is arranged in first, third, and fifth. First, third, and fifth here, first, third, and fifth here in all the cases. Now, C can be put in second and fourth, or second and sixth, or second and 7, or fourth and sixth, or fourth and 7. So 5 cases. And then U and E can be placed here, U and E or E and U. Similarly, in all the cases, 2 ways. Therefore, 5 into 2, 10 ways. And the number of words also is shown here, 96 words, which satisfy the condition given in the problem. Hope you have understood. Please share with your friends. Thank you very much.